YouTube channel. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like and share and comment any medicine you need. I will teach how to make woman tea medicine using a natural and effective herbs at home. These are the ingredients we are using to produce this medicine. The preparation methods we are using are we are preparing the ingredients for 1 hour to release the natural benefits inside the ingredients. Turn off the heat, wait for a minute to obtain all the benefit of the ingredients, and add ginger and shea butter. And for commercial use, can add sweetener and preserver and keep it at a dry place. How to use this medicine? Take it for 7 days, both night and during the day. 6 tablespoons every time.